to my channel. I'm Lady Goff and you're watching Mom to Mom. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everybody and Happy New Year if I don't see you guys again. Today I am making fresh carrots and peas. Want to see how I do it? Stay tuned. You want to start by getting everything cleaned up and ready to go. I am a firm believer of getting your station ready. I actually got these carrots from a mother of the church, so I said, you know what? Let's put these to good use. I also learned from my grandmother this little technique here, just scraping all of the dirt and grime off of your carrots so they'll be nice and clean, and then you just chop them up. I used a butter knife, but you may use a sharper knife if you feel comfortable with that. Then you want to use your steamer or whatever that you have to steam your vegetables for about 20 minutes. That always works pretty good for me. And after you get them all steamed, you want to blend them to a good consistency. Excuse me, the little snorty person in the background is the baby eating his food that we did prepare. So again, make sure it's a good consistency, no chunks or anything. We do not want the baby to choke. I like mine a little bit thicker since my baby is 6 months. Yay! Just in time for Christmas. And you just get you a nice little storage container for that. Moving on. Not fresh peas, but peas from a can. And it makes enough for a few feedings, which is pretty cool. These are going to steam a little faster, but you may also steam those for 20 minutes as well. The consistency is going to be smoother, which is pretty cool. And just blend them for a little bit, and they'll be ready in no time. I usually take mine and mix it with some baby rice or baby oatmeal, since he is eating a lot more lately. And I got a bigger storage container just because, like I said, the canned vegetables, excuse us, bless you, the canned vegetables do make so much more, but it's nice and convenient. It's awesome. So here you have it. You may also add maybe a little sugar, a little butter. I am no stranger and not ashamed to season my baby's food. So I know a lot of moms may not be into that. I've had some scolding, from older mothers who say, oh, don't put all that in there. But believe me, it's perfectly fine. Just don't go overboard. Thank you so much for tuning in to Mom today. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and remember, girl, you got this.